So we're going to talk just a minute about 9-dot control in LightBurn, and that's in reference to shapes. And when your shape is selected, you can see the 9-dot control right here in the numeric edits panel. Now this dot, this is something that is there, you know it's there, but you kind of forget to use it, and you typically use the handles here to resize. But there are situations where you have to be more precise, especially when your projects get more complicated. So if we click in the center, this is going to stay anchored in the center, and I just have these ellipses here to represent the movement of the square. So up in the width and height, if you keep your lock on, and let's say we adjust this to 200 millimeters, you can see that it moves out from the center and stays anchored in the center. So let's move it. Let's select it again. Let's stick it in the top right corner. Let's do that. And then go over and adjust this again to 200 millimeters. You can see that the top right anchor stayed in place. So it helps you be more precise when you're moving your shapes within a project. So let's go down and look at this. So you have one shape bumped up against here, and it's imperative that you stay bumped up against that in your project for whatever reason. But you need to close this gap without moving this shape. So you can select this one. If you select here, move your anchor point to the top left corner, grab the handle and hold your Alt key, and then you can just bump it right up to where it needs to be. You close the gap, and you never broke your anchor point. So again, this is one of those things you know it's up there, you see it up there all the time, but you don't always use it. I know I don't. So maybe this was helpful. And if you have questions, let me know. And if you got questions about anything I've got posted, something I can help clear up, just let me know, and I certainly will. So just check back often for new videos. You folks take care, and we'll see y'all next time. Thank you.